If you all live in Tennessee or anywhere near Natchez Parkway, there is one place called Old Natchez Parkway. It's near the tobacco barn. Brownie loves walking here. The wife does as well. Absolutely. Okay, so when the leaves are full and green, the shade in here is amazing. You can see how far that drop off is, but you've got plenty of side berm to make you feel comfortable. What do you think, Marley? Marley, what do you think, boy?
Whatever.
Do you know all these different trees, Darlene? Like what that leaf is? I'm not sure.
No. I don't know them all.
Yeah. Here, let me go in it. Come on, Brownie. Let's go.
I used to know a lot of them.
Did you? White oak, red oak, pin oak.
Sassafras, I believe, one that has 3 different names.
I really like how you can go onto Google, hit the camera, and then find out.
Yeah.
Of course, I use that all the time when I'm thrifting. So if you're new to this channel, you might not know that I have done a couple of thrifting videos in the past. I should start doing them again. Today I went to the thrift store, got 6 shirts. All of them are brand new. On Sundays at Goodwill, they always put their color that they've had for sale for the week for 99 cents. And Goodwills, if you're not familiar, a lot of times they get tons of new stuff, don't they, darling? Brand new merchandise that stores haven't been able to sell from the season before. So it's a wonderful time to be able to save a lot of money. Now I've got so many clothes that I refuse to, but it's not true. If I see a shirt that's usually a $125 shirt, I will sometimes pay the exorbitant amount of $5.99. That's ridiculous. It's not exorbitant. Actually, that's a really good price. But I found so many expensive shirts for 99 cents that there was one actually today. There was one American Eagle shirt, Darlene, that was just really nice, right? Mm-hmm. And I could not, I was like, no.
How many bring home?
I think I brought home 5 or 6. I think I'm going to start taking a long pause when we go in there.
Okay. I'll remind you next Sunday.
Go ahead. Say it real friendly like and smile into the camera.
I'll remind you next Sunday.
Okay. All right. I really do think I need to put a pause on the thrifting. At least until I clean everything out.
Y'all, I stole his phone one day and I did a YouTube on here of his closet.
Okay, so I like clothes a little bit.
We could open our own Goodwill.
Well, you know what's amazing is you can buy...
Our own men's department store.
A lot of times I'll go in there and I'll spend like $20. And full retail, the clothes would have cost $500. It makes it so that you have a really nice wardrobe, that's for sure. Matter of fact, I have so many clothes, I really don't know what I have. For a long period of time in my life, I had like 20 shirts. I don't know how many I have now. Brownie says he wants a shirt. What you want, Brownie? So these roads right here, Darlene, does this kind of remind you of the Amish area? Because there's a lot of gravel roads out there.
No.
No, because those Amish roads actually look better than this, don't they?
Yeah. They grade those.
Huh?
They'll grade them. So when I was growing up on the dirt roads,
Yeah.
we graded them. We didn't grade them, but the county did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, the county kept it graded, keep it smooth.
This road here, Old Natchez Parkway, this is just something that they've kept.
It's part of the old Natchez.
Yeah, they've just kept it available
That's the old
for
track.
one lane traffic. Just so you can remember what it was like.
Granny wants to go somewhere.
Sure does. I know, that's what I thought too.